Today we're doing a quick overview of our 2019 Kia Sedona LX. Let's go take a look inside. Taking a look at the driver door panel, you do have your automatic windows, locks, and mirrors, as well as your power folding mirror control as well. You have a lot of storage space here with your 8-way power seat equipped with this nice tan cloth throughout the vehicle. As we get into the Kia Sedona, you do have your multimedia controls on the left-hand side of the steering wheel. And on the right-hand side of the steering wheel, you do have your cruise control settings. And on this menu button right here, you can go through the screen and kind of change what you want to look at and use the OK scroll wheel to go through and kind of change everything. Super nice for easily to change throughout. At the screen here, you can see this vehicle does come equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, but you do have your AM, FM, XM, and it also USB and auxiliary inputs with Bluetooth audio as well. Does a climate control, you do have your front and rear climate control all controlled through here. You can lock the climate control or keep it unlocked. It is controlled up through here in the back if you need the rear passengers want to change the back heat. You also do have your auxiliary 12-volt and USB down here, and your backup camera with guidance lines and parking sensors as well. Right below the shifting knob, you have your eco mode with your parking sensors, your heated seats and heated steering wheel, a little bit of storage, and in the center console you have another 12-volt and a sunglass top holder as well. Third, you get your 17-inch steel wheel on winter tires. I have a ton of tread left remaining. As we move our way to the back of the Kia Sedona, to the rear hatch, you do have a ton of room. You can fold these seats all the way down in here, but they just give you extra cargo room, or fold the seats down flat throughout. You do get your 6 seats in the back and your 2 in the front, so you do get your 8 seats throughout, as well as your 12-volt down here. Let's go take a look at the back seat. You have your sliding seat, so you can move up and back, as well as you can fold the seat up, as well as pull that down to fold flat. You can also move the seat up nice and easily to get into the back. Nice and quick access. You can remove that middle seat if you would like, but you can have as your armrest or your third seat as well. In the back here, you also do have cup holders down through here and some more storage as well. Up here you do have your climate control for the back, as well as your rear air vents as well. Thank you for watching this quick overview of our 2019 Kia Sedona LX. If you do have any more questions about this Kia Sedona, please visit parkmazda.ca. That time you can find out all the information about this Kia, as well as take this vehicle for a drive. With a qualified test drive, you get a $25 Visa gift card. Hope to see you guys soon. Have a great rest of your day.